Do you know someone who's looking for one level living close to the Delaware beaches? We're introducing a rarely offered opportunity here in the Plantations community in Lewes, Delaware. We're just off of Route 1, a few minutes to downtown Lewes and Rehoboth beaches. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, first level opportunity. It has a wraparound porch and a wonderful, versatile floor plan. Let's go take a look. Thanks so much for taking the tour with us today. If you know someone that'd be a great fit for this property, please tag them, get together, and we can get them a showing and get their bid in at the price and terms that they want. And if you would like all the best properties as soon as they come on the market, subscribe to the channel, and we'll look forward to seeing you in town.